Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we will be learning about permutations and combinations. The problem that we will be dealing with in this video is problems based on formation of words. So let's get started. Let's see the first question. The word is Vidya. Now the question is, how many five-letter words can be formed without repetition? Now, since we have to form a five-letter word, so we have five placeholder. Now, the first placeholder can be filled with any of the letter of the word Vidya in five ways. Similarly, the second can be filled in four ways, then three ways, then two way, and then one way. So the solution is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 120 words. The next question is, how many five-letter words can be formed with repetition? Now, since repetition is allowed, so any letter of the word Vidya can be used multiple number of times. So the solution is, we have five placeholders. Each placeholder can be filled with any of the letter of the word Vidya in five ways. So 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. So the solution is 5 to the power 5, that is 3125 words. Moving forward, the next question is, how many five-letter words can be formed that start with a vowel? Now we have restriction in the first position. So whenever you have the case of restriction, try to fill that placeholder first. So we have to make a five-letter word. In the word Vidya, we have two vowels. So the first position can be occupied by either of the two vowels in two ways. Now the next placeholder can be occupied in four ways as we are left with four other letters. Similarly, the next placeholder can be occupied in three ways, then two way and then one way. So the solution is 2 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 48 words. The next question is, how many five-letter words can be formed that start with a vowel and end with a consonant? Now we have two restrictions. The first is on the starting position and the second is on the last position. I would request you to please pause this video and try to solve this question by yourself. The solution to this problem is, we have five placeholders. The first placeholder can be filled with any of the two vowels in two ways. In similar fashion, the last placeholder can be filled with any of the three consonants in three ways. Now we are left with three placeholders and three letters. So the first placeholder can be filled with any of the three letters in three ways. The next can be filled in two ways and the last can be filled in one way. So the solution is 2 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 3, that is 36 words. The next question is, how many five-letter words can be formed that start with a vowel and end with a vowel? Now this is a very similar question. Please pause this video and try to solve this question by yourself. The solution is, we have restriction on two placeholder and we have two vowels. So the first placeholder can be filled in two ways and the last placeholder can be filled in one way. Now the remaining three places can be filled with the remaining three letters in three ways, two ways and one way. So the final solution is 2 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1, that is 12 words. The next question is, how many five-letter words can be formed that start with a consonant and end with a consonant? So it's again a very simple question. So the solution is, we have restrictions on the two placeholders. The first can be filled in three ways. The next can be filled in two ways. And the remaining three words can be filled in 3, 2 and 1 way. So the solution is 3 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2, that is equal to 36 words. The next question is, how many five-letter words can be formed that start with D? Now we have only one restriction, that is on the starting position. Please pause this video and try to solve it by yourself. The solution to this problem is, for the five placeholders, the first placeholder should always be occupied by D, so it can be filled only in one way. Now for the remaining placeholders, the next placeholder can be filled in four ways, then three way, then two way and then one way. So the solution is 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24 words. The next question is, how many five-letter words can be formed when even positions are occupied by a vowel? Now please pause this video and try to solve this question by yourself. The solution to this problem is, we have two even positions. So the first position can be filled in two ways and the second can be filled in one way. Now for the remaining place, there is no constraint. So with the remaining three letters, each place can be filled in three ways, then two way and then one way respectively. So the solution is 3 into 2 into 2 into 1 into 1, that is 12 words. I hope this is clear. For the next set of questions, we will consider the word daughter. Now the question in hand is, how many 5-letter words can be formed which always include G? Now we have two ways to solve this question. Let's look at the first solution. For the first solution, from all the words that can be formed from the letter daughter, we will subtract all the words in which G is not included. So the solution is, for all the total words, we have 5 placeholder and there are 8 letters in the word daughter. So the first placeholder can be filled in 8 ways, then 7, then 6, then 5 and then 4. So the solution is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, that is equal to 6720 words. Now the words without G, so the total number of letters are 7. So the first placeholder can be filled with 7, then 6, then 5, then 4 and then 3. So the total number of words is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, that is 2520 words. Now we need to subtract both of them. So the solution is 6720 minus 2520, which gives us with 4200 words. Now the second approach to this problem is reserving place for G. Now in this case, we will give G the first preference to sit in any of the 5 places that is available. So for that, G can be arranged in 5 ways. Now we are left with 7 letters and 4 places. So the first place can be filled in 7 ways, then 6, then 5 and then 4. So the solution is 840 words, and then combining both the scenarios, the final solution is 5 into 840, which is equal to 4200 words. The next question is, how many 5-letter words can be formed that end with R? Now I would like you to please pause this video and try to solve this question by yourself. The solution to this problem is, there are 5 placeholders. The last place, since the word should end with R, so the last placeholder can be occupied by only one way, that is R. Now we are left with 7 letters and 4 placeholders. So the first placeholder can be occupied in 7 ways, then 6 ways, then 5 way and 4 way. So the final solution is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 1, that is 840 words. The next question is, how many 5-letter words can be formed which do not include any vowel? So I would request you to please pause this video and try to solve this question by yourself. The solution is, number of consonants present is 5 and we have 5 placeholder. So the first placeholder can be filled in 5 ways, then 4 way, then 3, then 2 and then 1. So the final solution is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 120 words. The next question is, how many 5-letter words can be formed which include all the vowels? Now this is a very similar question in which we always need to include the letter G. So please pause this video and try to solve this question by yourself. The solution to this problem is, we have 3 vowels and 5 consonants. The first vowel can be arranged in 5 ways as we have 5 placeholder. The second vowel can be arranged in 4 ways. In the similar way, the third vowel can be arranged in 3 ways. So the solution to this part is 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60 words. Now we are left with remaining 5 letters and 2 places. So the first place can be filled in 5 ways and the second place can be filled in 4 ways. So the solution is 5 into 4, that is 20 words. Now since we have to fill all the placeholders, so it is a mandatory condition and it is an AND condition. We can't do this or that. We have to do both the cases. So we'll multiply the result of both, that is 60 into 20, that is 1200 words. Now we have reached the last question of this video. So the question is, how many four-letter words can be formed which start with D and always include G? This is a very similar question and I really hope that you will be able to solve. So please pause this video and try to solve this question by yourself. The solution to this problem is D can be arranged in one way, as you always need to start that word with D. For G, we are left with three more placeholders. So G can be arranged in any of the three placeholders in three ways. So the solution to this part is 1 into 3, that is 3 words. Now we are left with 6 letters and 2 placeholders. So the first place can be filled in 6 ways and the second place can be filled in 5 ways. So the solution to this part is 6 into 5, that is 30 words. Now again this is an AND condition, as you need to fill all the placeholder. So we need to multiply both the result. So it is 3 into 30, that is 90 words. I hope you really liked this video and it was helpful to you. Please stay tuned for more such videos. And I hope you know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe. And for more such videos, please stay tuned. Thank you.